Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 147, Chapter 8, Division. Practice 1, Mental Division. Think of the multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9, then fill in the blanks. So if you look at our example, we have blank times 6 equals 36, and if we count our 6 multiples, we'll figure that out. We'll figure that 6 times 6 will equal 36. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6, because it's the inverse or the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So let's look at number 1. Blank times 7 equals 35. So here we need our 7 multiples. I'm going to write our 7 multiples down right now. 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. So over here we have our 7 multiples up to 35, and we can figure that it's 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, and here is 7 times 5. 7 times 5 equals 35, or 5 times 7 equals 35. So 35 divided by 7 equals 5. So when you divide, you need your multiples to figure that out. Number 2, blank times 8 equals 72. So we're doing 72 divided by 8. So we need our 8 multiples all the way up to 72. So let's write them down right now. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72. So here we go. Here's our 8 multiples. This is 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5, 6, 7, 8 times 9. So 8 times 9, or 9 times 8, equals 72. So 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Okay, I think you guys are ready to do numbers 3 and 4 all by yourself. Just make sure you write down your 9 multiples over here. Go up to 63 and you can figure that out. Number 4, same thing. Use the same exact 9 multiples you wrote down. Go to 81 and figure out what number you need to multiply by 9 to get 81 so you can divide. Alright, so hit pause, do numbers 3 and 4, and when you're ready, we'll go to the next page. Okay, so welcome back. You should have finished 3 and 4. We're going to do page 148. Number 5, 56 divided by 7 equals blank ones divided by 7. Well, when we have 56, we know we need 56 ones divided by 7. So over here we have 56 ones divided by 7. Now we're going to do 56 divided by 7, so we need our 7 multiples. So I'm going to write our 7 multiples down right now. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Alright, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know 56 ones divided by 7 equals 8, or 8 ones. Whoops. Over here, 8 ones, which equals 8 ones is just 8. Over here, number 6, 360 divided by 9 equals blank tens divided by 9. So over here, since we have a 0 at the end, we know that 0 can represent our 10. So really, it's just 36 tens divided by 9. So over here, 36 tens divided by 9, and all we have to do is just 36 divided by 9. So if we look at our 9 multiples, 9, 18, 27, 36, we know that 36 divided by 9 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 36 divided by 9 equals 4, so 36 tens divided by 9 is just 4 tens. And 4 tens is just 4 with a 0 behind it because it's 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 tens is just 4 with the 0 behind it, which is 40. Over here, 600 divided by 3 is, well, that's 6 hundredths divided by 3. Here we need our 3 multiples, and that's simple enough. 3, 6, so we know 6 divided by 3 is 1, 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, so 600 divided by 3 is 2 of these hundreds. And then we have to put back 200 written out is just 2 with 2 zeros behind it. So what we're trying to show here is that you can multiply. If you have zeros at the end, you can divide using the numbers in front if you have those zeros at the end. So let me show you what I mean by that. On number 8, we have these zeros at the end. So instead of dividing all these numbers, we're just going to take the first two numbers because we know that 4,500 is just 4,500. So we're just going to divide that 45 in front. So 45 divided by 5, let's count our 5 multiples. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 45 divided by 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. So 45 hundredths divided by 5 is just the 9 hundredths. And when we write down 900, we want to add those two zeros back in there. So 900 is 9 with two zeros. So 4,500 divided by 9 is 900. And that's what we did on number 6, 7, and 8. And I hope you kind of got that pattern over there. So over here it says divide, use related multiplication facts and patterns to help you. So this is the same exact thing we did up here. Try to divide the beginning numbers first, and then you want to make sure that you put that 0 or that tens or the hundreds or whatever those zeros you have in at the end. So we're going to do one more and you can do the rest yourself. So this is 240 divided by 4. So if I look at the first two numbers, because I have the 0 at the end, I'm really looking at 24. I'm going to highlight that. 20, oops. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to look at, alright, one second. I'm going to look at that 24. Alright, so 24 divided by 4, which is 24 tens divided by 4, equals, and we need our 4 multiples, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay? So 24 divided by 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. But it's not just 24, it's 24 tens with that 1 0 behind it, so it's 6 tens with a 0 behind that. Alright, so 240 divided by 4 equals 60. Now you guys can do the rest by yourself. Just make sure that you're dividing the first numbers and then make sure you have that 0 at the end of it. Okay, good luck.